Hello everybody, welcome to French with FoTI. My name is Melissa. I'll be taking you through French lessons. And welcome to our first French class. And we are going to learn about alphabets in French. Yes, French is called le français. And we are learning about alphabets in French. Alphabets are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That is in English, and today we are learning them in French. And so we start. A in French is A. B in French is B. You can repeat after me. C in French is C. D in French is D. E in French is on. F in French is F. G in French is G. H in French is H. I in French is E. J in French is G. K in French is K. L in French is L. M in French is M. N in French is N. O in French is O. P in French is P. Q in French is Q. R in French is L. S in French is S. T in French is T. U in French is U. V in French is V. W in French is do. Blue. V. X in French is X. Y in French is Y. Z in French is Z. Thank you. We can now start from A to Z and you say it after me. Yes. Now we start. I say it and then I hear you say it. A. Did you say it? Yes. A. B. C. D. E. F. Z, H, I, G, K, L, M. Are we still together? I hope we are. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, congratulations. We are done with the first lesson in French. Thank you, and join us next time as we continue with our lesson 2, which will be very interesting, vowels and different pronunciation in French. You're welcome. See you next time.